what have we got here? It's a mystery box. There's only 200 of these available. Grab one of these and you go into the running to win a Friday night drift experience for you and your best mate, including flights, accommodation, and a factory tour of the Kansei factory. Let's go see what's in this box. Okay, what have we got in the mystery package? We have a hat, we have 2 random hoodies, 2 random tees, and also some Kang goodies. There's only 200, get yours today.
Alright, welcome to today's video, which is BTS of Apocalyptic Drift Delivery Video, which is shot out here at unknown location, which is extremely goddamn cool. As you can see, it is in a full abandoned housing estate. And yes, I've lost my voice. Just had FD Formula Drift final on the weekend. It's pretty funny. We've got some pretty cool stuff lined up. I'm sure by now this is actually released after the fact, but we just got here. We've got the character uniforms to get on. We've got a bit of a process. I'll introduce you to the boys. I'm just having a quick Barbie. Boys, we've got Shane, Vicente, and
Berkeley.
There you go. So we're all out here getting it done. We got the drones. We got, what are they? I don't know anything about the cameras. You can tell me about the cameras.
We got a red camera. We got
Sony FX6.
What you got?
HVX 200.
So we got an eclectic mix of cameras.
Nice. And I've got iPhone 13. So we're gonna start planning this out. We've got a whole bunch of gangster corners. This spot is actually notorious. There's been a few videos shot here, but not for quite a while. So I'm really looking forward to doing some spicy shit. Obviously we've got the Barrawagz, and this is a mixed drop for the latest Kansei wheels. So obviously cinematic shoot. You've already seen it, so I don't even need to explain it. But if you haven't seen it, go and check it out straight after this, or go check out that video right now. So check it out and come back and watch the behind the scenes. All right, so Kansei wheels. We're dropping the brand new wheel, which is now would have been released at this point, which is the 7. So they've done 7 years, 7 wheels, and it's a 7-spoke wheel, aka the 7. Yeah, we've got them strapped onto the Barrawagz. We've got 2 different colors on the left and right. On the left, I think it's gunmetal. On the right is hyper silver. They look absolutely amazing. But yeah, that's what this shoot is. It's for the release of the wheels. So just to show them off, do something cool, bit of extra promo, and obviously promotion for ourselves. So I'm gonna get this thing unloaded. We're gonna have some snags, and we're gonna get into it. So enjoy. So just quickly, if you're interested, the story with the area is it's a decommissioned army base. I don't know if like veterans lived here or not, but apparently something to do with the soil is like contaminated or something. Probably asbestos in the roofs as well, hence all the roofs you'll notice are like cut open. Yeah, roofs are all like cut open, so very interesting. We won't be venturing into the houses too much. Or digging or eating the dirt. So, and apparently the water as well. So something to do with the water was contaminated and dangerous. So yeah, it's basically a whole entire housing estate that was up and running has been shut down. And obviously that leads to potential place to do some gangster ass filming. So I'm sure they've used this place for many other things. Perfect opportunity, couldn't pass it up. I've seen this, as soon as I saw this place pop up on videos, found the location, saved it. Since then, I think I saved that before I even thought about coming to the States. And then once being here, I was like, oh shit, that area is close to where I am. So obviously teed it up, and here we are. All right, so I got some of my props and stuff laid out here. Some of it's not out yet. But we've basically got the 3 outfits, which are Grandpa, Golfer, and Rockstar. We're also teaming up with Heatwave Visual. Obviously, they're one of our sponsors as well. So every character will have its own shades on, which is cool. It just adds to the character. They've got some absolutely amazing glasses that suit so well. And if you didn't know, these are my favorite, which is the photochromic, which is actually a lens that adjusts to the brightness outside, and they only hit a certain percent tint, which I think might be 40. Perfect for driving, for long road trips when the sun's going down. Definitely my favorite. So if you want to jump on, grab some, use code KAR10. If you're from the States, make sure you go to the American website. And if you're from Australia, obviously make sure you go to the Australian website, just so you're not getting dogged on shipping and they get sent straight to your door overnight. baby. All right, so I'm gonna go and get the grandpa outfit on. We've got a deck chair, we've got the cane, and we're gonna go head over to the first house spot and get set up. We're gonna be pretending to fall asleep and get pummeled by bananas. Let's do it.
Classic.
Good job, boys.
First one down. Fucking tight.
We just got the grandpa scene done, and Shane smashing some stanky ass breakfast like McDonald's that's been sitting in the car. Goddamn hooligans. Up next we got the egg throw and rich boy outfit. There she is. Let's get her on and get a shot. All right, the boys hard at working, getting me a golf club. And I'm all golfed up, ready to go. Look at this. Got the stanky ass glove. Look at that. Got the keys. Got the shoes. We found the golf house. We found a door. And we found some grenades. So, yeah, we prepared all this, 100%. And yeah, got the attire ready. Shane is getting all the lettuce ready to...
It's called a bagged salad.
To become shrapnel on impact. We've got the big mamas that are not going to be hitting me because I'll die. And the tomatoes. You've stopped on top of a door as well.
That's actually so fun.
Oh my god! I hate this area. It was so up and coming. Alright, golfer scene done. Nailed that. I went to stereotypical. It was a good, solid scene. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, getting the kit off again as usual. Next up, the rock outfit. Alright. Why are you laughing?
Bandos.
God damn it. Where's Sally? Where's cousin Sally?
Where's Sally?
I like how he's like going like this.
Oh damn! We're ready. Working on the persona right now. It's my hair town right here. Something like that. So we're working on it. It'll come out in scene and that'll be it. So let's go find our house and let's do it. Alright, we're back scouting. Here's Grandpa's house.
We're literally looking for a house for you right now.
Yeah. There's so many options.
Yeah, which one do you want?
But we're the town owner. I think we're going with like the town. I run this town here. I run that town, boy.
I feel like a realtor for you right now, like driving you around. So this is an up and coming neighborhood. It needs some work, but it's up and coming.
Up and coming. We found our house and we found our washing machine. And there's all this shit and it makes it look like we set it up on purpose. So that's our house and that's my washing. So I got some of these things, so we're gonna do some like fake tattoos. And it's washing day, baby. Let's get into this shot. And somehow I'm gonna get pummeled with eggs at this one, so that's exciting. Let's do it. Favorite day of the week. Wash out my dinner, my favorite day.
It's a 4-cylinder, right?
Yeah, just be safe. We will be safe, and like I said, respect the space. We know where we're at, so. Yeah, that's really cool.
Cool looking. We got
Nice, right?
What just happened?
So basically the security came up to us. Hey, you guys almost done over here? And we're like, yeah, just about. And then he told us how he signed an NDA, but they just recently, on Sunday.
Yeah.
I don't know if I could say it. No, but then he said it's $5,000 a day to rent it out, and Jason walks up and hands him sunglasses. I was like, I guess
that'll sort it.
That'll do. Here's some sunnies and stickers.
That'll cover it. Hey, stickers go a long way in some places, all right? Anyway, I got the final outfit on. We've just been getting the wagon, getting some inside shots of the pedals and the shifting and this and that. You won't even know. You've already seen the video. You didn't know, did you? If you did know, let us know in the comments, but I doubt it. We're trying to beat the sun right now, so we'll keep getting into it. We've got a few more shots to do. We've got, obviously, the drifting, but I feel like we've just got permission now. I mean, we already had this place, like, booked out fucking years in advance anyway. But I mean, if we didn't, we had like extra permission. So anyway, let's just get into it and send it, boys. You ready? KanseiWheels.com. All right, this is sick. So this is the my house location. The whole idea is I'm like a rebel young boy and I've got to deliver some groceries. So I've got an alarm clock waking me up, smash that shit, and then basically pick up the groceries, throw it in the car, and do some beauty shots rolling out of this lot, and then just straight into like 420 blazing. So yeah, let's do it.
Hey! Actually, Berkeley. Boom!